But then again, it's almost like this is a God energy that took that away. And maybe again, the thing is this person walking away is somebody giving that back. But it's just like the way that it's done, I feel like it's fucked up because, you know what I'm saying? You done gave or came in, showed your face, right? Right before you leaving out. Like, who does that? You know what I'm saying? You showed yourself to a certain other level here. It made this Empress feel some kind of way. Only to continue to try to make her compete when it's clear that you're never going to choose her. So I feel like the whole energy of one of these energies coming in was to break her or make her feel less worthy or make her feel bad or to point out those bad things about her and not the good things. You know what I'm saying? And also that would be cock blocking to keep other energies to keep other energies away from her. Because I feel like at this point in time, if the Emperor or if this God energy doesn't want nothing to do with this Empress, she should be able to move on, you know what I'm saying, to calmer waters or somebody that is going to take care of her, that's going to nurture her, that knows her worth, that knows what she's put in all over the years and is not going to mind taking care of her in a very nice and certain different motherfucking kind of way, okay? So again, if anybody is concerned about me holding on, the only thing I'm holding on to my stability right now because I'm not trying. Everything the Empress does has to be tactical or logical. She always got to think about who's coming, what trick up your sleeve, what is it, what tool do I got to pull out to slay your motherfucking ass real quick. Because, you know what I'm saying, she really don't have no time for games. She even had to be worried about her masculine coming back wanting to take her fucking head. You see what I'm saying? Or even remove her off of her, you know, remove her off of her her pedestal. He may feel some kind of way about it. But I feel like if a motherfucker feel that way, voice it. Voice your opinion. Voice what you have to say. Don't sit there, you know what I'm saying, and not say nothing or be a coward and not just say what you feel or have somebody feeling like, you know, like that's my thing. Just be a man about it, okay? Because for me, I'm just trying to figure all this stuff out. I think feminine energies and women, and that's why I feel like we're not dealing with women all the time, okay? This fork in the road, because it's almost like maybe before or at some point in time, the Empress could possibly know what was going on, but I feel like something was done to bind this Empress, so she don't know. So it even make her look even more stupid. You know what I'm saying? When she's not able to make a move, or she don't see what's going on, or you know she really hasn't been able to detect. So it makes her look even worse. But the thing is, she has been hidden from herself. She can't even see. And I feel like that's that energy of the senses or sensors. And because she has led a certain lifestyle, it might be harder, but that don't mean that she don't have everything, all the abundance to be able to go on and do something very, you know what I'm saying, again, milk and honey, of milk and honey. And the thing is, these masculines or somebody knows this. Yeah. But again, nobody's gone deep enough. They feel like, you know what I'm saying, it's almost like Big Mama. You know what I'm saying? To a certain extent. But again, at least Big Mama, you know what I'm saying, she get her flowers while she's still here. All the time. You see what I'm saying? But with the Empress, I feel like we've, as a culture, as a people, we have lost that. Again, especially just like even she looked real youthful or whatever. But I think like it's just even that energy here with the I think some D-Moms, ain't no grandmas over here, okay, have made it back to that energy even at a youthful age here. Because for a minute, you know what I'm saying, younger women that were grandmothers, I felt were falling off. You know, after these 80, you know, after us 80s and 90s babies having Big Mama. You know what I'm saying, is that energy of Big Mama has fallen off and more women are younger, you know, grandmothers. Okay, we'll just use it that one time. You know what I'm saying? And some people have lost that energy as to taking their grandbabies and stuff like that. And I feel like I feel like I noticed that coming back within our communities within the past couple years. Okay. So we have that ram energy in reverse here. All right. So you find a masculine. So I feel like you find these emperors, and again, this energy of the world card, since I feel like it's all been lumped together. Okay. for me to kind of pick apart what this is and kind of like follow it some kind of way or whatever. And I still don't know it all, you know? So we have saddle in reverse here. But yeah, that's what it is. I feel like maybe, you know, people are used to, it's like I'm hearing somebody saying, I shouldn't have to tell you. Okay, we have hand. I shouldn't have to tell you what to do, but I'm just, it's almost like, and it's a masculine's energy, but at the same time, you might have to, because something that you did possibly, right? Or something that you let in, right? Or something that has been done even by the family of this individual this time has bound her or blinded her to something. Even if we're talking technology, whatever this is, somebody has done something fucked up to this individual. And that's the thing. She does what she does. She don't even get paid for it. You see what I'm saying? But her job is something that has to do with a greater purpose than all of us. And again, a nation can rise no higher than this woman. We have snake in reverse here. All right. And again, munch. I was thinking, why does this munch keep coming up? But I think it's just everybody's biting off of her. Everybody's biting off of her. And she don't get no, you know what I'm saying? Even if she is the Empress and this energy dude, as much work as she put in. You know what I'm saying? It's like somebody not even going to acknowledge that she have a title. You know what I'm saying? So that she can go ahead and be called what, you know, the Empress or whatever, and then be put on the payroll. You see what I'm saying? But the thing is about her, and the reason why, I'm just thinking her feet is covered up. Because I remember, I think something about the Statue of Liberty. I thought there was like chains or something on her leg. So I don't know. I'm just hearing like amusement park or some kind of ride or something. Maybe that's why ride kept coming out here. Okay. Like a performance. I don't know. Okay. Is it something like a Mona Lisa? You know, or a Monroe? But I feel like it's like a treasure, like a museum, like a piece or something. You know? I'm seeing that image of the American Beauty here. It's almost like maybe she was even naked at first and then she was covered. But somebody, when she's covered, somebody still wanted to go ahead and let in, either project the energy or actually let in energy on her. And she's dealing with masculine, I feel masculine or feminine energy that don't know how to communicate. If they're more feminine, then they're fighting and arguing with her, or they want to be her or something like this. If they're masculine, then, you know, she's fighting with them in a different way here. And she doesn't always know exactly who she's talking to. She doesn't always know. So she's getting called all these names and all these things when, again, these masculines know, you know what I'm saying, that the communication that level that she have to deal with. So why even, you know, play like that? And that's why I be wondering, like, damn, there must be some heavy mind control or something like this, okay? We got fist in reverse. Because it's almost like that energy of, like, I think it's in this text, in the Bible, like, letting these people that's after her onto her. But see, that's the thing about the Empress, though. Man. And it's just like almost like everybody wants a piece of her or break off a piece or something. And it's like, dude, if you have a masculine energy that ain't even like really, like, I don't know. You know, like I said, it's just like, could money do that to somebody? You know? It may be also a heartache of something with a masculine. And then, you know, somebody say, well, this person did this or something, so you might as well. You know, I feel like there's a lot of influence here. A lot of negative influence. But really, you know, these might be these people saying that they want a piece either of that emperor or that empress. Maybe they're used to the person not feeling. Maybe the emperor is used to not feeling, you know? Maybe he's never really listened to her before, and he's listening to her now and seeing how these women that they put over her have defiled her or done these things. Because again, like I said, this masculine would never have put this empress or put this person on the pedestal in the first place if it was about her past. Do you see what I'm saying? So that means that we must have had one of these feminines jailbreak or do something to this empress mind or get into something to show this person something that made them feel some kind of way. But again, it still should not, because you can't judge somebody, like I said, on their past after they already been taken up by source and cleaned off and put in a certain position. And they maintain that still. This is pillow talk. This is energy of a covetous woman, okay? A sneaky bitch trying to make her way in. She may be working for the masculine. Also, and then, so again, this is somebody that would have a, what do you call it? A conflict of whatever, right? Because they're supposed to be working together, right? But they're fraternizing. Is that what it's called? With the workers here. And again, these women are freely able to go out and, you know, do that. Hustle in that way, in that light. The Empress is too busy being the Empress. The person that nobody else on earth can be. You're supposed to be like, and that's how I feel, you're supposed to be like, she already know that the masculine out there probably tricking off, but at the same time, it's like, you know what I'm saying? What are you talking about? They can be doing what they doing, okay? And you could still be, you know what I'm saying, if everybody is, you know, aware of this, because it puts the Empress in a position where she could be under attack by these people if she don't know what's going on. But again, this is just, I feel like these are just people thinking. These thinking whatever they thinking, or trying to pull whatever they pull, trying to, you know what I'm saying, do whatever, but it's just not going to work. Nobody went through all the trials and tribulations, everything they went through throughout their life to end up not being in the position that they're supposed to be in. And again, you're not going to wake somebody up like during their reign, okay? When for some reason this person been asleep all this time, didn't even know what was going on, and then you wake them up just to hurt them and then drop them and leave them. Like, what are you doing? Okay? And people can have a change of heart, but you can't change who the Empress is. And that's just it at the end of the day. And any masculine or feminine or whoever, emperor, empress, whatever, that have it like that, really don't even have to come around or show up no more. I feel like that's the case. So again, don't be getting mad at the Empress, or don't get mad at me. And I feel like this is also a tactic too, to keep others away from this energy. If she was to retire or walk away from her post, you know, somebody want to see her on her ass. They want to see her get off this pedestal from being treated some kind of way her whole life, even by her father. You know, I'm not saying in that kind of light, okay, but I'm just saying, you know, being there for her, and then having a situation where she's a homemaker and her husband is there for her, and then her being who she is and not being able to be on no regular shit in the first place. You see what I'm saying? The safest place for her, whether she's Empress or not anymore, is going to be at home doing her thing. Because 9 times out of 10, even if she did want to go out there and do something and make her own money or do whatever she want to do, her man really don't want her to do it. I know, because it was me. And again, I'm at a point in my life where, yes, I do want something. I want to change. I want to do something else. I want to be, you know, like I said, I want to be successful. I want to do things too. But you know what I'm saying? I can't be expected to do both. Or no. And actually, I can. The thing that is the problem is the interference of all of these other people, all of these other watchers that are on the wall, and these sorcerers and all these other things. That, the privacy, the breach of privacy with so many people is the problem. Because I feel like I can be the Empress and still hold it down and still go ahead and do my businesses. But with the interruptions, again, that is the problem. And not having a real kingdom being run, because it seems like all the people are running away from her for no reason. And these are the people that are going to be hated for no reason. That people are running away from them for no reason but the truth. You hear what I'm saying? No reason but the truth. People that can't handle the truth. The people that are trying to overrun her nation, okay? On some old shady stuff with that sneaky Pete energy. These little Queen of Pentacles that's on the rise because of her and her kingdom and her nation and her gifts and the things that have been bestowed upon her. Okay? That want to sneak their little way in on some third-party situation. This can be corporations, nations, other leaders, or whatever. Yeah. So eventually, one of these females is going to want this person to be in this energy here. The Ten of Swords. Because she wants the Emperor all to herself. So she's doing witchcraft and all this other shit. And the Emperor can't stay away from the Empress. Or this masculine can't stay away because he know he got feelings for this woman. He don't understand. But you under a damn spell, fool. I'm sorry. And whatever you're allowing to happen and come in and break into this energy, it is harming all of us. It's an illusion. It's an illusion. It's an illusion. Because it's funny. I wonder why. I'm thinking like, why wouldn't the masculines, invest in the Empress? Why would they? Because your empire be stronger and then just tax the motherfucking females. You know what I'm saying? It would be stronger that way. You could still go do what you want to do with them hoes and tax them. And you still got your empire running this way. And because they want to be in here all up on the Empress's nuts and taking her ideas and doing all these other things, then whatever, you tax them. Yeah, that could possibly go to taking care of your Empress. And then the Empress can be taking care of herself, and then the Empress can do other shit to make money too. Like, I don't understand. I don't understand. Because the Empress is not going to be like these. The Empress may not have had to work as hard, but that don't mean that she's not a hard worker. You see what I'm saying? That don't mean she's not innovative. That don't mean that she, it's just like, dude, why not, if some of these women are paying attention to what she's doing and then taking what she's doing, her ideas, and she don't have time because she's running the kingdom. You know what I'm saying? And she's being attacked by these other, and it's not even because of the running of the kingdom. Do you dig what I'm saying? It's the attacking from these feminines that you brought in. Take care.